Hey, so this is the sample, soil sample out there. This is gonna go under garden glass. I always like looking at what he's got going on. This was a strawberry, a raised bed. This is a strawberry bed, and now mind you, this is after Hurricane Milton. I mean, those guys are out there fighting back. You know, they got loaded up with salt water and I just turned my mic my microscope on, and I was sifting through this, just kind of looking at how well these guys just somehow find the. And my mind, looking at this is peaceful. This is a nematode. I don't know if I crushed it or whatever it may be, but you've got just a lot of life in the background, just cruising. It's just again, it's peaceful. It's not madness. You've got a lot of charcoal, knowing uh, knowing how you operate out there, but there's a lot zipping around in the background. So much going on. Just it's all meant to be there. It's just not the chaos of a crazy brew. This is the aftermath of that. Just settled in, and he's got. I'm just kind of skimming through everything, but I'm seeing fungal hyphae everywhere. Simple traces. What is this? Ah, that's interesting. I'm not sure what that is. Let me hook up my lamp. That was big, whatever it was, and it looks like it has some type of cell walls. And let's see what's gonna go on here. Let's do that. Well, that is interesting. Let me go 400. That must be wow. I don't know. I'm not gonna even guess as to what that is. Like I have no idea. No clue. There's some kind of cell walls, and if it's glowing like that, that is neat. I'm gonna have to do a little research on that. Could it be a piece of plant, maybe a leaf? Either way, it's gonna be nutrients. It's gonna get broken down, and whatever's glowing in there, if it is phosphorus, in fact, here's another. Yeah, that's gotta be like plant matter or a root, even a. That's gotta be. You know, if this is a root, then that would be pretty cool because I would say that that's kind of mycorrhizal fungi that was inoculated in that root, and being that you don't pull your roots out of the ground, you just chop it at the base and let it become nutrients and let it become regenerative, release whatever inoculations it had back into the soil. This is what we practice as far as regenerative, right? You keep it in the soil and hope that your roots are gonna pick up that mycorrhizal fungi. And again, I'm just guessing with that. I'm guessing on that, but with that type of lighting, you know that fungi glows. It looks like a root, maybe. Is this the same nematode? A fucker move. That's definitely bacterial eating nematode. Look at the mouth parts. I wonder if it's like sleeping or what, because it moved. Unless I'm just banging the slide around. Just keep looking around. And this is this dilution is like a 1 to 6, something like that. I try to get the jar like 50-50. Yep, this is more plant matter. That's just and a lot of biochar. I love it. Look at this. Just all this charcoal and carbon is like owning it. We can afford to hit this with a solid compost tea, just because again the everything's thriving in that garden bed, and that it's understandable. You see a lot of stuff moving around. Look at that spore. So I'm guessing that's a spore of some sort. Look at this guy up here. I think we get closer to that. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. What is that? I'm gonna take a shot of that. Oh, I got a video of it. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's cool. Almost looks like a shrimp of some sort. I'm zoomed in at 400. Let's go 6. Not that I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference, but and let's see if it reacts to the lighting. He's Well, what an example though of this microbe just digging into that biochar and pulling out whatever's hiding inside of it, or trying to protect itself from it. That is, in a nutshell, why we biochar is powerful, man. It'll hold all these nutrients for your roots and your hyphae and your fungal, and this thing is just going to town on it. Whatever that is, that's going to be interesting trying to figure out what that is. But I got a couple people I can ask after I try to do my own due diligence. All right, I'm going back out. That's Oh, let's see if he reacts to lighting. Nope, I don't give a damn. Some of these microbes will go crazy and they just split. And I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna jump back to 100. Another spore. Look at that. That's a nice. That's what I'm telling you. Fungal hyphae everywhere. There's a lot going on if you don't know what you're looking at here. Spore. Looks like hyphae. Piece of hyphae. Another like piece of a spore or something that got damaged. Usually this glass is like sand. And so far, there's ciliate. Yeah, real good, man. Look at that. That's fungal. That's awesome. These guys work hard out there to get this soil fungal and keep life into it. I admire that. That is hyphae with septa. And this is the case for the tomato bed too. I mean, it's almost identical. So we're definitely getting it put back together out there. There's test states everywhere. Last sample I was running into these test data eBay and a couple little ciliates here and there. And they're all welcome. They all get the job done. I mean, you don't want a whole bunch of one thing. You know, there's diversity. Look at this, another nematode. What did that eat? That's got like something in it. That is kind of cool. What is that? I don't know what that is, but and then you got a spore next. That's a heck of a shot. Oh, I take that photo. Yeah, that's cool. Good job. Again, it just seems the environment, the ecosystem seems controlled to me. It's just very walk in the parkish. You know, you don't have too much madness going on at one time, but if you look, you're gonna find. I dig it. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this one up. This was the strawberry garden bed out there that got put back together. The tomato looked the same, practically identical. A couple nematodes. I might have that video as well, but maybe not. I'm not sure anymore. Yeah, awesome. All right, I'm signing off on this one. I would take a handful of this any day and put it in my garden bed. I can literally, I keep saying I'm gonna sign off, but I keep seeing stuff, man. Look at this. What's happening here? Ah, anyway, I just lost the screen.